Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Science Simplifier. Today I am going to give a detailed information about the CSIR NET Life Science exam. Okay, basically my subject is Life Science, so that's why I am giving the information regarding the Life Science subject. Most of the students are confusing how the exam pattern is there and what is the eligibility, time duration, maximum marks, and who is going to conduct the exam, and what are the career opportunities. These all questions comes in every student mind, so that's why I am going to give the clarification about the CSIR Life Science exam. Okay, first I will start from the basic onwards. Okay, see here, the CSIR NET Life Science exam. This exam is organized by the NTA. NTA means National Testing Agency. National Testing Agency organized the CSIR NET exam. Next we have the number of tests. Means what? In a twice in a year. June and December. Yearly twice the exams are conducted by the NTA. You can write December as well as in a June month. Okay, because you have two chances to write the exam. If you attempt in a June month, if you have not clear, again you have choice. After 6 months you have choice to attempt this exam. Means December also you have the choice. Means two chances in a year. In a year you have two chances write the exam. That is one of the main advantages of this CSIR Life Science exam. Still I am also preparing, so that's why I am going to give the information those who are preparing for the CSIR Life Science exam. I am also one of the aspirant preparing for this, so that's why I am going to giving information regarding the CSIR NET exam. Next we have the medium of examination. Means languages. We have the two languages, English and the Hindi. There is no other language options, only the two languages we have. If you want to go for the Hindi language you can go, and if you want to go for the English you can go. That is depends on you. And the exam time duration is 3 hours, hardly 3 hours, and maximum marks are 200. 3 hours 200 marks, and total number of the questions 145. Total 145 questions are there, and marks 200 marks, and hours 3 hours. This is the one of the main important thing about the NET exam, you should remember. Next, coming to the pattern. Means if you consider the life science exam or any other subject also, the pattern is same. Whatever the CSIR going to conduct the exam for the researcher and PhD holder, and they want to become assistant professor and JRF, they want to clear the, means they want to become the JRF junior research fellow, the pattern is same about the CSIR NET. Part A, Part B, Part C. These three parts are there. Okay, this is the first point. Next we have the Part A having the maximum questions 20. Part A having the maximum questions 20. Part B maximum questions 50. Part C maximum questions 75. Means total 75, 50, 20. How many questions are there? 145 questions. Total 145 questions. Part A 20, Part B 50, and Part C 75. In that Part A you can attempt 15 questions. Means maximum you can attempt any 15 question you can attempt. Don't go for all questions because they have the negative marks. So that's why in Part A, that is the general aptitude. Okay, that is a common for all subject. So that's why there are 20 questions are there. In that 20 questions you attempt 15 questions. Okay. Part B, it is our main subject. Means our subject is life science. There are 50 questions are there, and don't necessity to attempt all the 50 questions. Till now hardly cutoff is 120 marks. There is no above 120. So that's why if you want to reach the cutoff, you can attempt only 35 questions. Total 50 questions are there. In that 50 question, you can attempt only 35 questions. Don't go for all questions. Once again, I am telling. Next, we have the part C. Part C, this is also related to the our main subject. There are 75 questions are there. You can attempt only 25 questions. This is about the questions. Next, coming to the marks. Part A having the each question carries the 2 marks. Okay, each question carries the 2 marks. Part B also each question carries the 2 marks, and part C each question carries the 4 marks, because here the applied questions are coming. So that's why all questions are in the form of MCQs only, but there are some applied questions are coming in part C. So that's why there are 4 marks for each question. Okay, this is the main point. And next, coming to the negative marks. Part A having the 0.5 means what? If you make one question wrong, 0.5 marks will cut. Whatever the right answer is there, in that right answer 0.5 marks will cut. One question wrong, 0.5 marks will cut. Here also one question wrong, 0.5 marks will cut. Here also one question wrong, 1 mark will cut. So negative marking is there. That whatever the questions you know and you aware about that concept related, only you can go for that. If you don't know the answer, you are little bit confusing, means you don't go for those questions, because negative marking is there. That is the main tricks, and main most of the students are making mistake in this position only. Okay, then next we have coming to the eligibility criteria. Those who are still in MSc second year, means MSc ongoing, second year ongoing, you can apply this exam. And those who are MSc completed, those students also you can apply. Next, according to the whatever the national education policy, means NEP students are there, their degree consideration is the 4 years. And for those who are completed 4 years and those who are in the final year degree, you can also apply the CSIR NET exam. There is no any doubt. This is the one of the major thing. Next, we have the career opportunity. What are the career opportunity you have? If you clear the exam, what are the career opportunity of this CSIR NET exam? One is the LS. LS means what? The lecturership. And then we have the assistant professor. That is the best opportunity for clearing the exam. And next we have the as a scientist also you can join. And then researcher. Then JRF, junior research fellow. Means when you write the exam, after that you will get the result. In that time you will separately got the result LS and the JRF category. Okay, LS means lecturership result is separately they can declared, means separately they can mention in the result sheet, and JRF cutoff is separately mentioned in the result. Okay, which one if you want to choose, that is depends on you. If you want to select, means I want to become assistant professor, I want to go for a lecturership, you can go for that, because whatever the lecturership cutoff is there, it is a too less. I will come to that point also. Means next we have, if you want to do the JRF junior research fellow, means whichever university you want, you can select all over India on the basis of your cutoff, and you can start your research under the particular guide. There are means junior research fellow, it is a 5-year duration, 5 years mainly, and 3 years you have given, they will provide the stipend 38,000 they will give the stipend. Last 2 years you consider as the senior research fellow SRF, and after that they will give the 42,000 stipend. okay, for your research work. Depends on university, whatever this amount is there, it will increases. Don't bother about this amount, because some university they give the less amount, some university they give the more amount. Okay, that is depends on your cutoff also, that is also matters a lot. This is about the stipend. 3 years, when you, if you completed the 3 years, they will provide the 38,000 as a stipend, and last 2 years you will select as the senior research fellow, and they will give the 42,000. Next, coming to the score, means total 200 marks are there. You, if you got the 120 marks, means you will qualify the JRF. Okay, means every year the cutoff is variation. Okay, for 1 year is 110, 1 year is 120, like that the cutoff is there. Every year the cutoff is variation, but round figure, if you consider the 120 is the fix, means you cleared JRF. Then 200, if you got 110, that is the LS and NET, National Entrance Test. And 200, if you got the 85 months PhD, means some private university are there, you can apply there also as a PhD. Do you have any doubts, any questions regarding this pattern and all, you can please comment in the comment section. Please do support, and I am also one of the aspirant you, and let's togetherly learn. In upcoming videos I am going to share my study strategies, plans, coaching relate, what where I taken the coaching, what and how I am making the notes, everything, each and everything I will share with you. If you want such kind of the video, and short videos also I will try to make, so please do like, share and subscribe. I hope that you guys are understood. Thank you so much.